What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. So what you're about to listen to is the audio recorded in the courtroom the other day when I had court for my unlawful arrest in Mesa by Matthew Adair right here. The judge gets educated, and I get to do what I want, record in the courtroom like I'm allowed. Check it out.
Mr. Bartz?
Your Honor, I'd like to call a matter for Christopher, and I should let the court know that Mr. requesting to be able to use a personal audio recording device to record the hearing today.
All right, Mr. Before we proceed, you are not allowed to record these proceedings. Do you understand?
I'm allowed to audio record them.
You're not allowed to record these proceedings. Do you understand? You understand me?
I don't understand now.
Well, I'm giving you that directive that these courtroom proceedings are being recorded digitally. If you want to get a recording of this afterwards.
I have the ruling right here.
Okay. What is it that you believe you have, Mr. Ruff?
122.1 subsection H says that
Mr. Bartz?
Your Honor, I did pull it up because he did indicate this to me. He indicated Arizona Rule, Superior Court 122.
Okay, he's given me a Superior Court rule.
That'd be the only thing that would tell me
That would mean that anybody could record. I'm not heard of that.
And Your Honor, in reviewing it, it appeared that subsection C would typically require that a written request be submitted in advance, but that same section of subsection C does provide two exceptions for recording, and it references subsection H and subsection I.
Mr. Bartz, I don't have that. I would really like to have a rule like that either given to me ahead of time.
Your security downstairs has it printed out and likes to hand it to people when we come in, so that we can't record.
Sir, I'm going to ask that you turn that off till I make my ruling. Do you understand?
I really don't understand.
So you need to leave the courtroom with your device. You need to leave the courtroom with your device.
I'm turning it off. It's off. Under duress, I turned it off. Threats and duress.
All right. So are you citing a Maricopa County rule, Mr. Bartz?
No, Your Honor, this would be, and he just provided this to me. This is for the state of Arizona. It is aris.r.sup.ct122.
Okay. Is that a Court of Appeals rule, Mr. Bartz? I'm trying to figure out what the rule is. I'm trying to find it. I have the rules of court right here, but I'm trying to find what you're talking about.
This is under the Arizona court rules, Your Honor.
Okay. So we have Superior Court local rules. Do you understand that? You have Superior Court local rules, and then you have different local rules for the Maricopa County Superior Court. You have different local rules for various counties. Is this under the Maricopa County Superior Court local rule? What rule number is it?
It is rule number 122, Your Honor, but it would not be directly under Maricopa County. This would be the Arizona state rule for, it looks like
so it's
Arizona
Arizona local rule number what?
122.
Seeing Superior Court local rule 122, Mr. Bartz. Hang on, let me find it.
That's okay.
Local rules of practice for Superior Court, that's Apache County. Can somebody tell me where it is in my rule book, because I cannot find it. I've never had anybody come up and tell me that they're allowed to record the proceedings.
You know what, Your Honor? Here's where I'm finding it. I'm finding it under Arizona Rules of the Supreme Court under their miscellaneous provisions, Rule 122.
It's not Uniform Rules of Practice for Superior Court, is it? Because that's been abrogated.
No, this would be Arizona Rules of the Supreme Court.
So this is an Arizona. Okay, hang on. This is an Arizona Supreme Court rule then. Rules of the Supreme Court. Is that correct?
That's what it shows, Your Honor.
Okay, so let's go to the Arizona Supreme Court rules. All right. Arizona Supreme Court rule what?
122, it might be under miscellaneous, Your Honor. And it's titled Rule 122, Use of Recording Devices in a Courtroom.
Can you show me it, Mr. Bartz? Because
yes,
I'm not able to find it. I have an entire rules book. If you want to open this up and show me where it is in this rules book, I'll be glad to read it. But I'm not pulling it up. You're telling me it's an Arizona Supreme Court rule.
Judge, you have to go on the internet and go to the Supreme Court website. I found it.
I have rules of the Supreme Court.
There's a Rule 122, use of recording devices in a
Hang on.
courtroom.
Hang on.
And that's where I found it also, Your Honor. Mr. Ruff just advised me of this rule when I was meeting with him.
I'll just
in the
be honest
hallway.
with you both. I've never had that issue. So, rules of the Supreme Court, regulation of practice, judicial ethics, Rule 1.
It's under miscellaneous provisions.
Find it. Here we go. Rule 122. Now I'm finding it. I'm sorry. Rule 122 what? Point 1?
Well, Rule 122 has a rule, Your Honor. Subsection C after the definitions
Yes.
gives the request to recover to cover a proceeding or to record a proceeding, and it does require that a person submit a request in writing. However, it also tells us that there is an exception to that, which would
Okay.
be
Except as
subsection H
provided
and I.
in paragraphs H and I. Use of recording device in courtroom. This rule under 122A, this rule allows the use of a recording devices in a courtroom subject to specified requirements and limitations. A court must use reasonable means to inform the public of the provision of this rule. Except as provided. Must submit a written or electronic request to cover the proceeding as follows. A person must submit a request sufficiently in advance of the proceeding to allow the judge to consider it in a timely manner. Well, that definitely didn't happen. For less than 48 hours, that didn't happen.
That's for press.
Court action upon receiving a copy. The court will,
Judge, I'd ask you to look at H.
right, it says the court will notify the parties of its receipt of a request for coverage. The judge will promptly hold a hearing if the judge intends to deny the request or a portion of the request, or if a party objects to the request.
I think H is the one that applies, though.
It's not a
Let me
request,
look.
I just have to inform.
Personal, it's not like reporters coverage.
Right. I believe that subsection C is talking more about video recordings and devices that take up space in the courtroom.
Required notice, a person may use a personal recorder proceeding, but the person must notify the judge.
Maybe it was someone else.
Why is
Was
it
there
different
someone
from
else?
C? I guess I'm not understanding. How's it different than C?
Your Honor, because it's a personal recording device and a small device that is on his person instead of a larger device that's not on his person.
I'm going to take a recess. I'm not familiar with this. I've never had anybody,
Okay.
I've never seen a Superior Court judge allow anybody to just bring in audio recorders and record in their courtroom. In fact,
Do you have your email on
I can
record?
tell you that I've had judges almost hold people in contempt of court for it. So this is all new to me, and I'm not sure. So I'm going to go talk to Judge Tatz and find out where we're at. Sorry, but I need to.
That's okay. I
I've
understand.
never, but you understand what I'm saying.
I do.
If you've ever been in that situation where judges they've almost put people in contempt for it.
I've seen it before as well, Your Honor. It was the first time I've ever had this
Yeah,
request.
so I'm not worried. So I'll take a recess. I'll be back.
Thank you, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, would I be able to address just a brief continuance?
What's that?
Would I be able to address a brief continuance?
Well, I just need to, they brought up something I need to address this quickly, and then I'll be back.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Can I approach?
You can. Sorry, I had to go read the rule because I want to make sure what I was
What'd you rule?
But I haven't yet. Mr. Bartz,
Yes, Your Honor.
why don't you have your client come forward? Mr. I have to be honest with you, sir. I have never heard of this rule. I've heard of recording in courtrooms. I've heard of media recordings. I've heard of people making requests ahead of time. I've never read this rule, nor was I familiar with it. I'm not embarrassed to tell you that I wasn't, because I know several of the other judges were not as well. I can tell you several of my friends on the Superior Court bench are not aware of this rule. I just made some contacts. So, that being said, I had to read the entire rule. I'm going to allow you to turn on your recorder, but only for your proceeding only. Do you understand? Yeah. And when the court is not in session,
When you're not on the bench.
yeah, and I'm not on the bench, according to the rule, I don't want you to be recording conversations with other individuals in the courtroom or with the attorneys. Does that make sense?
Total sense.
And I apologize, but I had to read the rule because I clearly was not aware of it. If you all knew it and I didn't, then you all know more than I do because I was not aware of it.
I'm well versed in the rule.
Yeah, Mr. Barsi, you didn't seem like you were either.
I did not know it until he advised me of it.
Yeah, so, all right, so I'll allow you to turn it on while we do this proceeding. All right, so what are we doing, Mr. Bartz?
Your Honor, we've requested all the body camera footage from the state in this matter, and we're requesting a 30-day continuance to be able to receive that and have an opportunity to review it.
And if you could do me a favor and go through that exit to my right, your left, my clerk will call you up and she'll give you that new court date and time.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Your Honor.
Thank you. I was totally lost.
I didn't know the rule either, Judge, until he started talking about it.
Well, I couldn't find it. I was looking, I thought it would be under the Maricopa County Superior Court rules of practice. All right, somebody has a quick continuance, I know,
That's, yeah.
Yeah.
and then we'll get going. Then I'll get moving. I do apologize to everybody, but I want to make sure I'm making the right rulings.